Welcome back. It's now time for your lunchtime sports. Lionel Messi and Luka Modric face off in a mouth-watering World Cup semi-final between Argentina and Croatia this afternoon at Jamaica time, despite desperate to seize their final chance to win football's ultimate prize. 35-year-old Messi will attempt to fire Argentina into the final for the second time in 8 years against the 2018 runners-up. Messi, who suffered defeat to Germany in the 2014 final, is desperate to crown an extraordinary career by emulating another Argentine great, the late Diego Maradona, who lifted the trophy in 1986. 37-year-old Modric and Croatia, who beat Japan and pre-tournament favorites Brazil in penalty shootouts to reach the last four, have not won a knockout game in normal time at a major tournament since the 1998 World Cup, where they finished third. Despite doing it the hard way, the country of fewer than 4 million people shocked the football world by reaching the final 4 years ago in Russia, where they were beaten 4-2 by France. Match time is 2 p.m. Live coverage on Hits 92 FM. Now, in the second semi-final on Wednesday, reigning champions France take on a giant-killing Morocco, the first African team to reach the semi-finals of a World Cup. Back locally now, Campion College are the ISSA on the 16 urban area champions after a 1-0 victory over many-time champions St. George's College at Calabar on Monday. Things are looking doom and gloom for the all Campion supporters in the 44th minute when a rash off-the-ball decision from Zidane Smith left the team at a disadvantage. However, Kai Miles turned those frowns upside down, etching his name in schoolboy football history, scoring the winning goal to secure Campion's first ever under 16 title.
Well, at no point we were worried. At second half, I told the guys just stick to the game plan, keep reading the game, and I'm sure we would come out victorious, and we did.
Meanwhile, defending champions at Jamaica College have retained their ISSA on the 14 urban area title, coming from behind to secure a big 5-2 win over St. Andrew Technical, also at Calabar on Monday. After trailing 2-0 in the first half through goals from Damari Goldburn in the 9th minute and Kelvin Brown in the 15th minute, the Dark Blues showed why they are champions by putting on a 5-star performance in the second half. A double from Ajani Campbell in the 36th and 42nd brought JC level. And Jamon Lyle then scored 2 beauties in the 55th and the 65th to take the game away from Stats. Jaheen Bennett also scored in the 60th minute. And that is the final whistle, and I am Jermaine Brown. Shane, back to you.
Thanks, Jermaine. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shane Masters. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, have a good afternoon.